Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 Tiffin Campervan, a speculative foray into the cutthroat excursion vehicle market, is expected to revolutionize the industry by raising the bar for off-grid capability, luxury, and endurance. This campervan tour, dubbed the ultimate off-grid rig, would highlight a vehicle that has been painstakingly designed for travelers who require the independence of the wide road, as well as the unwavering comforts of a luxurious home. It combines Tiffin's long-standing emphasis on luxury and craftsmanship with the demanding specifications of a real expedition vehicle, marking a substantial shift in the company's design philosophy. The Tiffin Campervan's outside design would demonstrate its capacity to withstand rough conditions. It would have an attractive and functional silhouette and be constructed on a sturdy, all-wheel drive chassis, possibly a specially made platform. In order to ensure longevity without being unduly heavy, the body would probably be made of lightweight but very strong materials like composites and aluminum. With long travel coilovers or modern air suspension, the suspension system would be a crucial component, offering a secure and comfortable ride on every surface, from paved roads to difficult off-road tracks. Its expeditionary readiness would be highlighted by an integrated winch, strengthened bumpers, and comprehensive underbody protection. With a vast array of solar panels and a strong, silent generator, the outside would also have a covertly integrated power system that would guarantee long-term self-sufficiency. A tour of the cabin's inside would show that it is a masterwork of opulent comfort and efficient use of space. Despite its small size, the ultimate off-grid rig would provide a roomy and well-thought-out living space. With an emphasis on smooth zone transitions, the floor plan would probably be spacious and open. Everything would be made using high-quality materials, which are a defining characteristic of the Tiffin brand. Solid surface counters, hand-finished cabinetry, and fine upholstery. With its convection microwave, high-efficiency refrigerator, and induction cooktops, the galley kitchen would be a gourmet area. Because of its careful design, the bathroom would have a separate shower and a dry bath. The off-grid solutions, however, would be the real highlight. The technology that makes the Tiffin Campervan so powerful will be thoroughly examined. With a large lithium battery bank and a cutting-edge battery management system at its core, the power system would be revolutionary. This would enable prolonged periods of time without a power hookup for all onboard appliances, including air conditioning. With massive fresh and gray water tanks and a sophisticated water filtration system that can clean water from outside sources, the water system would be similarly spectacular. With satellite connectivity and a powerful navigation suite built for international travel, the communication and navigation systems would also be highlighted. The 2026 Tiffin Campervan Tour would essentially be a tour of a vehicle that is more than simply a camper. Rather, it would be a fully functional, opulent, and cutting-edge mobile command center for the contemporary adventurer. It promises to be a car that can drive you anywhere and guarantee that your living conditions are anything but harsh.